Time for another Strava segment brought to you by locatance.com. This one is the Woodland Way Sprint Climb. It's located in Cleveland Park, and we're going to be starting off right away here. As you're making this turn onto Woodland Way, the segment starts. I was in 5311, pushing up to 1200 watts. The guy I was going for at this stage had about 1400 watts. So my hope was that I could hold over 1,000 watts for a little bit longer. I figured I needed at least 900 watts average. So getting over that first climb, then it kind of straightens out, flattens out a little bit. This is where you should be able to get more speed, but I was fighting off fatigue. But I was able to hold it and got through to the end, which is right there. Got the KOM, tied at least with the KOM. Remember, I'm bugging you with these videos to get you to go to idoit4.org and locatance.com. So stop by and visit one. Make me happy.